Have you ever reached the end of a project and wished you had caught a problem sooner? Maybe labor costs were higher than you expected. Materials went over budget. A change order was never billed. Or profit wasn't what you thought it would be. The truth is, most financial surprises don't happen overnight. They build up gradually over time. That's why the most successful contractors don't wait until the end of the month or the end of the project to review their numbers. They review them every week. A simple weekly review can make a huge difference. Start by looking at labor performance. Are your crews staying within the estimated hours? Has overtime increased unexpectedly? Next, compare your budget to your actual costs. Are materials, equipment, or subcontractor expenses staying on track? Then review your change orders. Have they been approved? Have they been billed? Remember, completed work doesn't improve cash flow until it's invoiced. Don't forget to review your work in progress or your WIP report. It helps you understand where each project stands financially and whether you're earning the profit you expected. Finally, monitor your gross profit throughout the project, not just after it's finished. The goal isn't to discover problems after they're too late to fix. The goal is to identify them while you still have time to make adjustments. Here's a simple challenge for this week. Set aside just 15 minutes every Friday to review your active projects. Look at labor. Review your budgets. Check outstanding change orders. Monitor your WIP. And evaluate your gross profit trends. Those few minutes each week can help prevent expensive surprises later. Remember this week's key takeaway. Small weekly corrections prevent large financial surprises.